Hi folks, we're back with more Revit training. I had another question today about how do you do a second floor in hollow core. So what we have is the second floor of our building we've been working on here. If you recall, well, let me just delete this section box, this building. So we're going to do the second floor in precast. So what I did here, I just went here and I said orient to view, floor plans. I will go to the second floor. So this floor will add precast or hollow core. So we'll go to this view right here. And what I'm going to do, what I always like to do is, well, we can just go and do this, hey. So I'm going to go to structure and I'm going to beam system here. And while I'm in beam system, I want to select my beam typing right here. It's at 2x12. That was what we were using in this building originally. But we're going to go and we're going to use this 8-inch plank, Series H. And then you just go ahead and you just draw a, just take a rectangular shape here. What's going on there? Say from there, say from there to there. And we want the shortest span, so we'll span in this direction here. Now what I want to do, I want to go back and look at these properties. Oh, let's see, this is definitely not going to work. The spacing got to be like, let's just play around with it, maybe 4 feet for now. I think this, remember what size this was, but I'm going to just say 4 for now. Apply. And I'll click the check mark to finish. Okay, now where's my plank? Okay, let's try this again. Sorry, folks. I'm just going to on my first level, second level. Yep, let's look at the section view here, see what's going on. You remember I got some view properties wrong. Oh, no wonder, they're on the basement level. They're on that level. And they shouldn't be. So I'm going to quickly undo that. Sorry about that. We said second level. Just bring that back and go here. This what level are we on here? Thought this was level 2. But okay, anyway. So go back here in the level 2 and then we'll go beam system. And let's take a good look at the properties here. Say, okay, fixed spacing, let's go 4 feet. For now, this is plank. Okay. So I'm going to hit this again and see what happened. I'm going to sketch in here now. I'm going to do it in this view, in the 3D view. And you can always come back over here too, so come on, let's go. I guess it's only going to let me do it in this view for now. Now let's go there. And then here I want to make this the span direction. And we got a 4 foot fixed spacing, and then we click, and there's our floor using the beam system. Let's put this in shaded view or realistic even. So that's basically how that's done. We'll have a look in our, well, let's go ahead and do the whole thing here. So over here we basically do the same thing. Let's do a beam system here. But we can even sketch something out because this is going to be an opening. Well, this is how they would do plank anyway. They would probably build this like this. So I'm going to go here now and I'm going to do another beam system using this plank here at 4-foot spaces, and I'll go from here. Let's just do a shape from here to here. Same distance with the span direction, and then you finish it. And there's our floor. So we want to look at this in our sectional view. And there's our precast hollow core floor. Now we've got, something a little funny there. But anyway, I just wanted to show you, this is how you do this. Pretty simple, huh? So you just use the beam system, and then, okay, now here, you don't really have to worry about cuts. Oh, no, you do have to worry about cuts. Look at that. So here, when you get this situation right here, okay, it's a beam system now. In order to edit this, you have to go here and select it. And then, or you can drop beam system here, I think. But the whole idea is, let's see. I can do this right quick for you. I'll select this, and then I'll remove beam system so I can edit. So now, if we go into our sectional view, this section, as we saw earlier, this is going all the way over here. We don't want that. We want to cut this piece here, that piece here. So you can edit the width here. Can I do that with this family? Uh-oh. Yeah, cut length, cut width. Uh-oh. Can't believe I didn't have this. Just can't do this with this family. Now the other one you can, but apparently, let me double check this. Just to make sure. Just to make sure here. So select this guy. This view. Architecture. I'm gonna edit this. Oh, okay, see, this one doesn't do the cut length. So anyway, wow, can't believe I put this fountain here and didn't do that. But anyway, guys, but that's how you would do the floor. Now here, you can do the split view, but sorry I didn't have the right fountain here, but you can cut these faces. But the other family that I have, it actually does cut back faces where you can fix stuff like this in here. Stuff like this here. So anyway, well, that's how you do a floor, second level floor in precast. So hey, thanks for watching my videos. Anybody watching for the first time, please subscribe. We help with people out with Revit training. Thanks again. Please subscribe. Bye. Be safe, y'all.